Hey, today we are going to work on finding the base or height of a triangle when you know what the area is. So now, in other words, you've been given the answer, but we're going to work our way backwards. Here we go. Let's take a look at the first example. So the first example, I have my area of 14 centimeters squared, and I have my height of 7 centimeters squared. So if you recall, our area formula is base times height divided by 2. So if I plug in what I know, my area is 14, my base is unknown, and then 7 divided by 2. Okay, so now I'm going to basically work backwards from here. So the opposite of this division sign, let me change my color, is going to be multiplication. So we're going to actually multiply both sides by 2, which brings me to 28 is equal to 7b. So now I'm going to write that properly where I put the number in front of the letter. And now I have multiplication here. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7, and 4 is going to equal my b. So that means that this is 4 centimeters. All right, here's our second example. So I have the area is 36 feet squared, and then I have a base of 9 feet. So again, as I write out my formula, base times height divided by 2, okay, put in my information that I know. So 36 is going to equal my base, which is 9, my height, and divided by 2. Okay, so just like last time, the opposite of division here is going to be multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2. And that's going to bring me to 72 is equal to 9h. And then with what I have there, 9h is multiplication. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm divide both sides by 9. And then that's going to bring me to 8 is equal to h. So that means this answer here is 8 feet. Okay? All right, so hopefully we're getting the hang of this. All right, now I feel like you might have this down. So we are on to our third example. So let's just take a look at this one. Again, I have my height, but my area is 33 meters squared. So my formula A equals base times height divided by 2. 33 is going to be our area. I'm just going to put 11 in because that's going to make it a little bit better. And then we can just say that's our base, so 11b divided by 2. Okay, so now if you're thinking, what should I do first? We want to get rid of this divided by 2. So to do that, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So that's going to give me 66. So think of it as to find the area of dividing a triangle, I had to divide by 2. Now I'm going to multiply it by 2 to get rid of that division that I just did. So 11b, divide both sides now by 11. And that's going to give me 6 is equal to b. So my base is 6 meters. Okay, go back and watch the video if you have any questions on anything. Hopefully that all makes sense for you. See ya.